Hey guys, welcome to Ruthy's Reading Room. I'm Ruthy and this is Jaw. He's my favorite stuffy and he's joining us for story time today. And I'm so excited you're here to listen. Who else do we have today? We have special guests. You've seen them before. We have who?
Elijah.
And
Maya.
hello everybody. We're so glad we get to share a story with you today. And we're really excited about this story, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yes. So before we get too far, we want to make sure that all of you have your stuffies. Oh, where are your stuffies? You guys don't have yours either. So we'll give everybody a moment to go run and get your stuffy and come on back. We'll be right here. All right, go get your stuffies. Oh my, look at these stuffies. We have our stuffies.
Piggy.
We have Piggy and Doggy. All right. So we're all ready, and there's hardly any room for Jaw. Ah! So I'm gonna put
Come
him.
here, Jaw.
Oh.
I'll make room for you.
Oh, that's nice. So we have all our stuffies, and I hope you guys are back and ready with your stuffies as well. Okay, so let's make sure that we're all ready to listen to our story. So what do? We put our listening ears on. Whoa, it's so crowded. And put our hands in our lap.
Do you have your listening ears on, Doggy and Jaw?
Oh, I think so. Piggy fell with all the commotion.
I listen to lots of stuff, but mostly Ruthy's reading.
Is everybody okay? I think we're okay and ready to listen. But do you think all of our friends are ready? Let's make sure. Can you grab your binoculars, Elijah?
Yeah.
And can you get your magnifying glass, Maya? Here you go. And let's check. Let's make sure everybody's listening quietly. And maybe you want to hold up your stuffies at home. Wow, look at all the different stuffies.
No,
Piggy.
I can't see.
Okay, come over here. Let's move you over a bit. Now let's see. Is everybody sitting nicely?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Is everybody ready? All right.
Yeah.
All right, good job, guys. Let's put these away. And favorite part of the day. Let's find out which book is coming off the shelf next. Do you want to choose, Elijah? Okay, so the new potty. This one is written by Gina and Mercer Mayer. We really enjoy this one around here, don't we? I think Maya has her favorite page. You might know which one it is when we get to it. Okay, so back to listening ears, and let's get ready for our story. You guys ready?
Yep.
Is Jaw ready? Oh, Jaw's been abandoned on the floor.
Why did you jump off my doggy's?
Are we ready though? I think now we're ready. Jaw, Piggy, Puppy, you, Maya, Elijah, and Ruthy. We're all ready to go. All right.
And Jaw.
And Jaw. Okay.
Yeah. And Piggy. And everybody.
Everybody.
Book.
And the book. That's important.
Mm-hmm.
The new potty. I am a big boy. I know how to use the potty. I have underpants with skateboards on them. My little sister is still a baby. She wears diapers. Do any of you have little brothers or sisters who wear diapers?
I once did. Now she's 3. At least. I'm 6. She had to turn 3 before. She's catching up very fast.
Okay. I like to play with my sister, but sometimes she smells funny and Mom has to change her diapers. One day Mom said, "It's time for little sister to use a potty." I thought that was a good idea. That sounds like Elijah. We went to the store to get a potty chair for my sister. Mom picked out a pink one. And what is the little sister saying? "No potty, ice cream."
Oh.
That sounds like Maya. When we got home, my little sister wanted to carry the new potty inside by herself. That's something Maya would want to do, right? Big girl. But she wouldn't sit on it. She cried instead. Mom said she's scared. I knew that. That sounds like Elijah.
No, it doesn't.
So I sat on the potty first. Then my sister wasn't scared anymore. Elijah would do something like that.
I would not do something like that.
To help Maya be brave? I think you would.
No, I wouldn't.
I got her a book to read. Then she didn't want to get off the potty at all. Mom took the potty downstairs so my sister could sit on it while she watched TV. That was weird. Elijah would say that. My sister sat on her potty while she ate dinner. Later, she sat her doll on the potty. She tried to sit monkey on it, but I wouldn't let her. Elijah wouldn't let you do that either. That night, my sister slept with the potty beside her.
Oh my gosh, you really like that potty now.
In the morning, Mom sat my little sister on the potty without her diaper. My sister read her book. Then she used the potty. Mom hugged her while she was still sitting on the potty, but I didn't. Mommy would hug you on the potty, wouldn't I? Would I hug you on the potty?
No.
Of course I would. Would I hug you on the potty?
No. Have you ever done that in your life? Even to me?
Hug you for doing using the potty? Of course.
No, I mean on the potty.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Then Mom put new underpants on my little sister. You look so cute, Mom said. I didn't think she looked any cuter than me. Mr. Elijah would say that.
I am not cute.
We played in the sandbox. You're so handsome, Elijah. We played in the sandbox. I noticed that some of the sand was wet. So I called Mom. Mom! What happened to little sister? Did she have an accident? While Mom was doing laundry, my little sister said, potty. You see her? She said, potty. Mom asked me to take her. My sister missed the potty and got the floor wet. We called Mom. Mom! Is that your favorite picture? So sweet. The next time my little sister went to the potty, she did it just right. We were proud of her. Now that my little sister can use a potty, Mom and Dad say she is a big girl. But I think she still acts like a baby. Sometimes.
And both people and people and people and people and people and people and people.
Good job. The end. Did we all enjoy that story? Do you remember when you were learning to use a potty? Did you do any of those things like have accidents? I hope you helped Mommy and Daddy with your little brother or sister. Okay, so that's our story for today. Another fun one, actually. I think we all enjoyed that one.
Yeah.
I hope you did at home as well. I thank you for coming and joining us for story time in Ruthy's Reading Room. Elijah and Maya are special guests. We all had a good time reading that one. And remember, the best place to read is wherever you are with a book. See you next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.
And don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and hit that bell so you know the next time I'm reading a story. Bye, guys.
Bye. Ruthy's read it.